Every day, millions of people search for answers, answers about faith, about purpose, about Islam. Yet much of what people hear about Islam today is incomplete, misunderstood, or simply untrue. That is why Mutaqeen was created, a place dedicated to authentic Islamic knowledge through the Quran, authentic Hadith, Islamic history, and powerful stories that inspire hearts and strengthen faith. Whether you are a Muslim seeking knowledge or someone discovering Islam for the first time, you are welcome here. And tomorrow, God willing, on this channel, we will publish our first major documentary, The Death of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. What happened during his final days? What were his final words? And how did the companions react when they heard the heartbreaking news? Subscribe now, turn on notifications, and join us on this journey. Until then, peace be upon you. Salam.